In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Have you ever opened your inbox only to find it flooded with Google Drive notifications about comments, file edits, and sharing updates? While these alerts can be useful, they can quickly become overwhelming when you're working on multiple projects. Thankfully, you can turn them off in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign into your Google Drive account. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the top right corner of the page and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the drop-down menu, click Settings to open the Google Drive settings window. In the settings panel, look at the left sidebar and click Notifications. You will now see the notification settings for your Google Drive account. Locate the email section. Under Email, find the option labeled Get All Updates about Google Drive items via email. Simply uncheck the box next to that option. This will stop Google Drive from sending email notifications about file updates, comments, and other activity. Once you've made the change, click the back button in the upper left corner of the settings window. Google Drive automatically saves the settings, so there's no separate save button required. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.